What moment with your future wife made you think, yep, I'm asking this girl to marry me? Things were going really well, and I was thinking to myself, if this keeps up, I think I'll pop the question next summer. Then, my mother had a stroke. We were all sitting in the waiting area outside the ICU because only 2 people were allowed in at a time. It was my now wife's birthday, a Wednesday, and she didn't hesitate to take the day off to sit with me and my family. When I went to visit my father at home, she came with me. Her Italian instincts kicked in, and she brought a load of groceries and a lasagna with her. My father was a mess at the hospital, and it fell on me and my siblings to speak with the doctors and make plans. I would get home and pour myself some bourbon. She made me dinner and just sat with me while I silently sobbed. It wasn't about how great we were when things were good. It was about how perfect she was when things were bad. I bought the ring 2 months later.